Hi class, I wanted to let you know about the next assignment this week. You have Module 4, Lesson 2, homework, and then there's a quiz. And this quiz is different from the other quizzes in that it's just exercises from MyLab Stats. And I put out there, let me show you something. I put out there a practice quiz. And it's optional in that it's not going to be graded, but it's not optional. Like, you really need to do that and do it over and over. Like, here's the practice quiz, and many of these problems are on the real quiz, and definitely there's problems similar. So work through all of the problems and make sure you know how to do it. And then when you're done to study this, start with this question. See if you know the difference between R and rho. And then go to question 6. And if you know that one, do a similar one and see if there's multiple different questions under each one of these. All right. Same thing here. Right. All those different options or possibilities. So even though you get it right, make sure you know the concepts here. And then the last thing is, there are problems like this where you have to, use StatCrunch. Remember, don't use the tables. You'll have to use the critical value table, but not the other ones. Well, I guess let's see here. All right, so you're gonna open that in StatCrunch, right? Open that data in StatCrunch, and then do linear regression. So watch the videos on how to do these problems. But I guess really what I want to say to you is it's not enough just to work through a problem. You have to, read it. After you know how to do it, you have to practice. And that means, okay, I'm going to start doing question 8. And then after you do question 8, jump down to question 14. Do I know how to do that question? And then go back to question 8. How do I do that? And so it takes a lot of repetition and mixing it up and giving space between the problem. You don't want to read the answer to a problem and then do it right afterwards. Go work on another one and then come back. You need to leave some space there so that you're training your mind really how to do that. So anyway, for this week, you're almost done, but I want you to do well on the quiz. You have Module 2, or Module 4, Lesson 2, and then quiz on Chapter 9. So if you have any questions, just send me a note. Thanks.